Here's something nobody tells you about summer. The reason it feels wasted isn't because you did nothing, it's because you did a bunch of things that didn't matter to you, like scroll on your phone for 3 hours, hang out with people you don't even really like, work a job you hate, binge entire shows you forget about a week later. And then September comes and you're like, what did I actually do? I realized this last year. I spent June and July staying busy. I was working, I was going out, I had plans. But dude, I couldn't tell you a single meaningful thing I did. It all just blurred together into this fog of wasted time. And the worst part, I knew while it was happening. I'd be lying in bed at night like, I'm doing it again. I'm wasting another summer. But I kept telling myself I'd start tomorrow. I'd start next week. I'd start when I felt more motivated. Here's what changed everything for me. I stopped trying to do everything, and I picked one thing that actually excited me. For me, it was learning to edit videos. Just that, nothing else. And I made a rule, 1 hour every single day. Not when I feel like it, not if I have time. Every day at 9 p.m., I'd sit down and I would edit for an hour. Some days it sucked. Some days I made garbage, but I showed up. And do you know what happened? By the end of summer, I had this skill. I had this portfolio. But more than that, I had proof that I could commit to something, that I wasn't just someone who talked about changing, I could actually do it. You've got maybe 90 days of summer. That's 90 chances to show up for something you actually care about. Not your parents' dream, not what looks good on Instagram, not what you think you're supposed to do. Something that makes you come alive. Pick one thing today, just one. Put it in your calendar, and tomorrow show up for 1 hour. That's literally it. Because here's the truth. The version of you in September is either gonna thank you or resent you. And you get to decide right now which one it's going to be. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. This is it, and make it count.